Hello everyone, in this video I am showing you how to split a string to different substring. Here, initialize a string using the value hello, how are you. Here I am going to split the string to substring using the delimiter space in between them. Here, print yes, and then x equal to s dot split and give the argument space here, then print x. The output will be this is the actual string, that's the parent string. Then the splitting operation performed on this string using the delimiter space in between them, and the resultant string x will be hello, how, are, and you, different substrings. Thus we can perform this string splitting operation using this split function. Thanks for watching this video.